No. Good boy. Good boy. That. No. No. Ah, protein. Protein. Ah, good job, Chuck.
Are you okay, Teddy? Teddy is dead.
Good job. Today I went down on that.
This is for YouTube.
I don't want to be on YouTube. Good morning. As you can see, this is the view from our apartment.
What are you drinking, sir?
I'm drinking 100 grams of oats, 2 scoops of protein powder. Oh no, sorry, I've changed it. A bulking scoop of protein powder, and 600 milliliters of milk, and 3 scoops of peanut butter. Yum.
Babies are eating crunch.
Ah.
And this is my...
You missed your bed.
Good morning, world. It's beautiful here.
Oh, there's a pin on the carpet.
Which one is this one?
El Chapo.
El Chapo?
Oh, really?
Oh, stinks.
Protein. Protein shake.
That was you.
Protein. I don't think I've heard of them.
I don't want to go to work.